Jamb 2019 Principles of Accounts. Past question number 32. Information. Use the information below to answer question 32. We have income and expenditure extract. On the debit side, we have balance brought down 390, sales of tickets 4000, donations 300, that's 3000, subscriptions 6500. On the credit side, we have expenses on clearing 300 naira, new tools 510, repairs 400, electricity 300. The question is, what is the total income for the period? Total income for the period. Total income will be determined by this. We're going to pick items on the debit side. This is debit side. We're going to pick items on the debit side, and this is the credit side. So the debit side items, we have sales of tickets, which is 4000. We have donation, which is 3000. We have subscription, which is 6500. When you add this together, we're going to have 13,500 in naira. Option B is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.